Why am I showing you to walk barefoot on the grass? Research has shown that people who walk daily barefoot on the grass or they touch a tree, their level of inflammation that is visible in the blood goes down drastically. Even for 1 minute, 2 minutes a day, these levels go down drastically. And I wanted to share that with you because so many people have high inflammation in blood because of food, because of stress, because of the environment they're in, because of accumulation over the years, how they were dealing with their body. And this is such an easy trick. I wanted to share with you a bit of my insights, my own insights, why I believe this is such a great way to help yourself. So you see the earth is this huge, big Mother Earth. It's infinite compared to us. It's not infinite. Then again, can you see that when you put your energy barefoot in connect to Mother Earth, that you can easily let go all of the energy that is not beneficial for you. Mother Earth takes it back. Whatever you don't need it anymore, not benefiting from it anymore, and everything comes from Mother Earth, and then we give it back to Mother Earth. And she is this unconditional, loving source of acceptance, patience, abundance, love. And this is how you get to connect. This is where we come from. This is where we restore. Also for grounding practices. You know, when there's so much going on in your life, when your life is hectic, you do the same thing, okay? So what you do is literally, you are connecting to Mother Earth, calling back that connection where you came from, and you can literally ground yourself, nurture yourself, you know, ground your energies, and the well-being gets restored, the balance gets restored. It's just like this connection to Mother Earth is niveling, is that a word in English? It's bringing to a healthy level again what perhaps may be not in balance anymore. So, and also what I talked about in the beginning, you don't need to really walk barefoot. You can also receive the same grounding when you touch a tree. Just for a minute with your bare hands, because it's connected to the same Mother Earth, it's connected to the same energy. You can let go, you can give back to Mother Earth, you can restore, you can ground, you can connect, you can... In German we have the word Ausgleich. So literally you create just like this communication and you rebalance. Coming out of our head, being in our body. The wisdom that I share with you today. Let me know in the comments, what is it that you do to ground yourself? This is just a small practice. Yeah, I'm curious to know. You know, also walking underneath trees is very healing. You can connect to the consciousness of nature, to the observation of abundance and this energy source that is all around us. Is something that connects us to the universe. It's something that is bringing us back to our core center. It's something that is allowing us to balance everything out that may not be in balance with us or what we maintain. Coming out of our head, being in our body, together with nature. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite thing to do right now? Are you going to implement this into your habits? Perhaps you don't have a garden. Well, you don't need that. Like, comment, share, and talk to you very soon. Bye bye.